Hello students, today we are going to study photosynthesis. Question 1. What are the light reactions of the photosynthesis? Answer. The light reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplast and involve the absorption of light energy by chlorophyll molecules to produce ATP and NADPH. Question 2. Explain the process of photophosphorylation. Answer. Photophosphorylation is the process by which ATP is synthesized using the energy of sunlight during the light reactions of photosynthesis. It occurs through both non-cyclic and cyclic electron transport chain. Question 3. What role does chlorophyll play in photosynthesis? Answer. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment responsible for capturing light energy during photosynthesis. It absorbs light in the red and blue wavelength and reflects green light, giving plants their characteristic color. Question 4. Describe the structure and function of stomata in photosynthesis. Answer. Stomata are small pores found on surface of leaf that regulate gas exchange, allowing carbon dioxide to enter the leaf for photosynthesis and oxygen to exit. They also help in the regulation of water loss through transpiration. Question 5. What is the role of water in the light reaction of photosynthesis? Answer. Water is split during the light reaction, releasing oxygen as a byproduct and providing electrons to replace those lost by chlorophyll. This process, known as photolysis, generates the protons and electrons necessary for ATP and NADPH production. Question 6. Explain the significance of the Z scheme in photosynthesis. Answer. The Z scheme describes the flow of electrons through photosystem second and photosystem 1 during light reaction. It illustrates how light energy is used to generate ATP and NADPH, which are then used in the Calvin cycle to produce carbohydrate. Question 7. What are the components of a photosystem? Answer. A photosystem consists of antenna pigment such as chlorophyll and carotenoids that capture light energy, a reaction center where the energy is transferred to a primary electron receptor, and an electron transport chain that transfers electrons to other molecules. Question 8. Describe the structure and function of grana in chloroplast. Answer. Grana are stacks of thylakoid membranes found within chloroplast. They contain chlorophyll and other pigments involved in the light reactions of the photosynthesis, providing a large surface area for light absorption and ATP synthesis. Question 9. What is the role of ATP and NADPH in the Calvin cycle? Answer. ATP and NADPH produced during the light reactions provide the energy and reducing power needed to drive the conversion of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates during the Calvin cycle. Question 10. Explain the steps of the Calvin cycle. Answer. The Calvin cycle, also known as dark reaction or the light independent reaction, involves three main steps: carbon fixation, reduction, and regeneration of RUBP, ribulose biphosphate. These steps result in the synthesis of carbohydrates from carbon dioxide. Question 11. How does carbon dioxide enter the leaf for photosynthesis? Answer. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through stomata, which are small openings primarily located on the underside of leaves. Stomata open and close to regulate the exchange of gases, allowing carbon dioxide to diffuse into the leaf. Question 12. What factors affect the rate of photosynthesis? Answer. Factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis include light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, and water availability. Changes in any of these factors can influence the rate at which plants can produce carbohydrates through photosynthesis. Question 13. Explain the role of Rubisco in the Calvin cycle. Answer. Rubisco, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase Oxygenase is the enzyme responsible for catalyzing the first step of the Calvin cycle, where carbon dioxide is fixed to ribulose bisphosphate RUBB to form an unstable 6-carbon compound that eventually leads to carbohydrate synthesis. Question 14. How does the structure of chlorophyll relate to its function? Answer. The structure of chlorophyll consists of a porphyry ring with a magnesium ion at its center, surrounded by alternating single and double bonds. This structure allows chlorophyll to absorb light energy and transfer it to the other molecules, initiating the process of photosynthesis. Question 15. What is the role of proton gradient in ATP synthesis during photosynthesis? Answer. Proton gradient generated through the movement of electrons in the electron transport chain during the light reaction drives the synthesis of ATP through chemiosmosis. ATP synthase utilizes the flow of proton down their electrochemical gradient to produce ATP and ADP and inorganic phosphate. Question 16. Describe the role of NADP and NADPH in photosynthesis. Answer. NADP plus serves as an electron acceptor during the light reactions, becoming reduced to NADPH, which carries the high energy electrons and protons produced during photolysis. NADPH is then used as a reducing agent in the Calvin cycle to convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Question 17. How do cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation differ? Answer. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves the linear flow of electrons through both photosystem 2 and photosystem 1, leading to the production of ATP and NADPH. In contrast, cyclic photophosphorylation involves only photosystem 1 and produces ATP without the generation of NADPH.